Welcome to part two of our Doji session. This one is a Q&A questions. Whereby whenever you have a question, any questions about what I've taught you, now is the time. If in case you have any question, you can now feel free to unmute yourself. Okay, Elvis, in case you have any questions, or you need to, we need to go over several examples at least. Okay, and also I'll teach you before that, quickly before that, let me teach you how you'll be marking up your homework for this particular pair. Just a minute, just 1 minute. What do you do? The first thing, okay, let me use AUD USD. The first thing that you do, choose any time frame. The first thing that you do, let me delete these ones. Okay, I can see because I know maybe you might have a challenge in identifying maybe one of two or the setup. So what you do, the first thing, identify what? Any chart. Then choose a time frame. It can be 1 hour. Let me come back to my 1 hour. So whenever I choose my 1 hour, what am I looking at? Where there is a downtrend, okay? How do I identify, leave whatever is happening right now. How do I identify a downtrend? Just come here. All of this one is a downtrend here. All of this is a downtrend. So what you do is that in this downtrend, you're going to look for what I've taught you today. Okay. Okay, while there is a downtrend, let me block. Okay, while there is a downtrend, I noticed something. Okay. Doji, that is a doji. Confirmation here. Okay. Now, okay, what you're going to mark it here. You're going to say that is a doji, but a small letters. Oh, okay, a little bit big. No, let me put 16. Good. That's a doji right there. Then come here with an arrow. That's a gravestone. That's a what? Gravestone doji. Okay, that's a gravestone doji right there. That's a gravestone doji. Then what you do is that just come here, take a snapshot, save the chart. It will roll up here. Then you're going to, in this particular setup, after you're done with this, just come here, delete. Already you've saved your chart, delete it. Then you already looked at this. Look for another cell that occurred similar to the first one. Okay. Let's maybe look for another downtrend. Don't look for a gravestone doji in an uptrend. Okay, you'll just be wasting your time. Good. Good. Although this one is not a perfect one, here you can see several of them. Here, all of these, and I forgot to mention something. For the dojis, it doesn't matter the color, but also for the bearish, if the gravestone doji, okay, for the doji, basically it doesn't matter the color. But for the gravestone doji or the dragonfly, which is the reverse of the gravestone doji. Okay, if you have a gravestone doji over sell candle, it is more likely to be, it is a powerful one because it will indicate volume down. But if you have one with a bullish color, it will still go down, but the momentum will not be as strong. What am I talking about? You can see here there are several of them. 1, 2. Okay. This one also. Okay, it will still go back. the same momentum with that. It will not be the same momentum with the buy. Okay, with the one that has a similar color. I hope you get it that. So yeah, that is how you mark your homework. Let me look for another one. Just a minute. Let me look for another one. No. I cannot find one. Good here. No, not there. Just a minute. You can see Doji, Gravestone Doji. Okay. You can just mark it here. Okay, let me mark it there. And make sure for these particulars, make sure you zoom it in. It's no harm. Okay. Provided you identified it, just zoom it in there. Okay. Okay, good. There it is. Then you write, what will you simply write? That's a doji. That's one thing. Then just come here. What do you write here? That's a gravestone doji. Okay. That's a gravestone doji right there. Okay. And what do you do next? What do you do after you do this? Save the chart image. Then after you save the chart image, what do you do? What will you essentially do? After you save the chart image, what will you do? It will just come and display down here. Okay, Elvis, now it's your chance. In case you have any questions, I don't want this session to be long one. We'll be having two sessions. We'll be having a 40-minute session. You're going to be having a 40-minute session, the first session, and the second recorded session is where I'll answer all of your questions, okay? Good. So now is the time. You ask me a lot of questions. You ask me, when are we going to start trading? What will happen? Yeah, all those. Yes, I'll be able to answer.
For this session,
yes,
probably you can hear me. Unaweza nisikia vizuri? Okay, on my end nimekuwa na I have been noticing some connection issues. So what I can do in regards to the video of the first recording, I can type the question I'll send you via WhatsApp, and then you can give me feedback. As for this one, because nimekuwa na log, kuna hiyo connection bit, so kuna some points I need to watch it so that to understand vizuri kabisa, so that I can be at a better position to ask you the questions.
No
because
worries,
of the connection issues that I've been facing. At some point, na drop. Yes.
Okay, so okay, what I'll do right now, do you have any question?
Right now, currently, no. But in case I have, I'll just send it to you in regards to the doji.
No worries. So what I'll do is that I'll send you, it's almost, I think it's almost done recording the first session. Yeah, it's almost done recording. Just give me a minute. Let me rename it so that at least it becomes easy. You see, when you forget, this was a doji class, doji and gravestone doji. Okay. Doji and gravestone doji. Good. Okay, I'll end the session right here. And in case you have any question, any queries, just feel free to reach out. Okay? Okay, Elvis? Okay, good. I'll end the meeting here and see you tomorrow, same place, same time. Take care.
Okay. Thank you. And you
Okay.
too.